Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us in this session of Spokane Public Schools Keep Learning series for mathematics. Today's lesson is for students in grade 5, but all of you are welcome to join in. My name is Mrs. Henshin, and I'm a 5th grade teacher at Logan Elementary in Spokane Public Schools, and I will be your teacher for this lesson. I'm so glad you are participating with me today. You can access previous lessons on the KSPS website, and if you would like additional activities, you can go to Spokane Schools Learning at Home website. Sometimes it is helpful to go back and watch the other lessons in our series so you can continue to build your understanding of the mathematics we will be doing together. For today's lesson, you are going to need something to write on and something to write with. Go ahead, take some time to grab those supplies now. Great, are you ready? Today's learning targets are, I am learning how powers of 10 work in our number system, and I'm learning to add and subtract decimals. Some of this is going to be very important review for our next few lessons. Okay, our first problem asks us, if this piece represents one whole, what do the other pieces represent? I want you to take some time and really think about this, and then write down what you're thinking for each of the other pieces. Go ahead and do that now. So what'd you come up with? Let's take a closer look. We'll start here. This represents one whole. So what can we name this? Let's look. This is one piece out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1 out of 10. What can we call that? Did you say 1/10? Awesome job. We can also write that as fraction form, 1/10. So if this is 1/10, then how much is that? What can we call this? I mean, 10 of them fit here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 1/10 of this 1/10, but how much is it of the whole? So we knew 10 fit here, so then we would have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. This little piece is 1 out of 100, or 1/100th, which can also be written as a fraction, 1/100th. How'd you do? Okay, I think you're ready to move on. For our adding number string, we're going to start off with some whole numbers. So on your paper, I want you to add 99 plus 87. Use any strategy you want. And if you're sitting with someone, discuss why you chose that strategy. Go ahead, try it out. Okay, so here is what I did. I thought 99, if I just add one more, I'm going to be at 100. So if I added 1 already, I still need to add how much? 86. And 100 plus 86, I can do that in my head. 186. So 99 plus 87 is 186. Awesome. Okay, let's look at the next one. 199 plus 46. Try that out on your own. Okay, how'd you do? Again, I saw 199. If I just add one more, I'm to 200. And if I already added 1, I still need to add how much? 45, right. And 200 plus 45 is 245. So 199 plus 46 is 245. Awesome job. Now, what strategy is it that we've been using here? We've been using a number line, but is it possible to do without the number line? Let's take a look. We used what was called the give and take strategy. I gave 1 to this addend and took away 1 from this addend. Awesome job. So 99 plus 1 is 100, 87 minus 1 is 86, and 100 plus 86 is 186. Same thing down here. I gave 1, took 1, give and take. 199 plus 1, 200, 46 minus 1, 45, 200 plus 45 is 245. Now I'm wondering, is this going to work with decimals? So try that out with 4 and 8/10 plus 2 and 9/10. Go ahead. So did it work? Let's look closer. I saw this time 2 and 9/10. If I just add one more tenth, I'll be to what? 3. So if I gave to this addend, I need to subtract from this one. Exactly. 2 and 9/10 plus 1/10 is 3. And 4 and 8/10 minus 1/10 is 4 and 7/10. Now, when I have a decimal and a whole number, I can add them pretty easily in my head. 4 and 7/10 plus 3 is 7 and 7/10. So 4 and 8/10 plus 2 and 9/10 equals 7 and 7/10. Let's move on. Try this one out. 2 and 88/100 plus 12/100. Use any strategy that you want. Okay, so for this one, I decided I was going to actually make friendly jumps by splitting up the second addend into 10th and hundredths. So first I just added 1/10, which we learned earlier is the same as 10 hundredths. So I had to think in my head, 88 hundredths plus 10 hundredths is 98 hundredths. So we're to 2 and 98 hundredths. What do I have left over to add now? I've added 1/10 or 10 hundredths. I had to add 12 hundredths. So I still need to add 2 more hundredths. So 2 and 98 hundredths plus 2 hundredths is 3. Awesome. 2 and 88 hundredths plus 12 hundredths gives you 3. How'd you do? Let's take a look at the next one. 2 and 88 hundredths plus 1 and 56 hundredths. How are you going to solve this one? Can you use the information from above to help you? Okay, how'd you do? Let's look. 2 and 88 hundredths plus 1 and 56 hundredths. So from this one up here, I already knew that if I add 12 hundredths to 2 and 88 hundredths, it gets me to a nice even 3, a whole number, right? So if I give 12 hundredths to this side, I have to take 12 hundredths from that side. Let's look at it. 2 and 88 hundredths plus 12 hundredths we know is 3, and 1 and 56 hundredths take away 12 hundredths is 1 and 44 hundredths. Now I have that whole number plus a decimal, which I can do in my head. 3 plus 1 and 44 hundredths equals 4 and 44 hundredths. So 2 and 88 hundredths plus 1 and 56 hundredths equals 4 and 44 hundredths. Are you getting it? Let's try one more. 19 and 57 hundredths plus 43 hundredths. You got this. Try it out. Okay, here we go. So which one did you use this time? Did you do give and take or friendly jumps? I decided to go with taking my second addend into two separate parts and doing friendly jumps. So I first added 300ths. So out of the 4300ths, I wanted to add 3. Do you know why? Well, because that gets me to 19 and 60ths. And then how much more do I still need to add? 40ths? Right. So 19 and 60ths plus 40ths, that's 20. So 19 and 57ths plus 4300ths is 20. All right, there's the last one that we solved, and we have one more to go. I want to see if you can use what we just did to help you solve this problem. Go ahead and try it out. Did you see any connections? Did you see that we already know that 19 and 57ths plus 4300ths gives you 20? And if we give 4300ths to this addend, then we have to take it from the other. So now we have 20 plus 8 and 3100ths because 4 take away 3 is 1, 7 take away 4 is 3, 8 and 3100ths. So 20 plus 8 and 3100ths, I can do that fast in my head. 28 and 3100ths. So 19 and 57ths plus 8 and 74ths equals 28 and 3100ths. Nice job on our adding number string today. Okay, I want to show you one more way that you can add decimals. In 4th grade, I know that you worked really hard on the traditional algorithm for adding and subtracting, where you line up your numbers vertically. You can do that with decimals too. And one awesome tip is that if you line up your decimal points, then your place value spots are already lined up for you. So let's take a look at that. Okay, I'm going to write them vertically. 23 and 57ths. And then line up the decimal points, 12 and 5600ths. And now you just add them like you learned in 4th grade. Okay, so I'm in the hundredths place, 700ths plus 600ths. Well, I know 6 plus 6 is 12, so plus one more would be 1300ths. So if I have 1300ths, I have 300ths and 1/10, right? Okay, so I regroup that 1/10. 5/10 plus 5/10, that's 10/10. It's like a whole other whole. Plus another one, it's 11/10. So that's 1/10 and 1 whole moved over to the ones place. Okay, now I am in the ones place. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. And 2 plus 1, is it really 2 though? It's 20. It's 20 plus 10 is 30. And then I bring down my decimal point. So there you go. That's how you can add decimals using the traditional algorithm. I want you to try one, okay? So get ready. Let's do 54 and 1200ths plus 17 and 6700ths. Go ahead, try that one out now. Okay, what'd you do first? Did you line them up vertically? Let's do that. 54 and 1200ths. Line up my decimals. 17 and 6700ths. So I have 700ths plus 200ths, 900ths, 600ths plus 100th, 700ths. Ooh, tenths. Tenths. 7 plus 4 is 11. And 5 plus 1 plus 1 is 7. 71 and 79 hundredths. This is a great time for a quick reminder that mistakes grow your brain. I said hundredths when I was really talking about tenths, and I caught it, and now I'll really think about that next time. So it's okay if you make mistakes. Mistakes grow your brain. All right, nice job with adding decimals. Okay, fifth graders, here is today's assignment. Make sure you communicate with your teacher on how they want you to turn it in. Number 1 has 3 problems. 1 and 43 hundredths plus 2 and 58 hundredths, 5 and 99 hundredths, minus 3 and 26 hundredths, 3 and 9 hundredths plus 2 and 67 hundredths. Number 2 also has 3 problems. 16 and 3 hundredths minus 12 and 42 hundredths, 10 and 18 hundredths plus 15 and 7 hundredths, and 99 and 99 hundredths minus 3 and 79 hundredths. Number 3, Rachel has $10. She wants to buy a book that costs $6.79. Will she have enough money left over to buy a pen for $3.50? Explain. Okay, I'm going to give you a second to copy these problems down. I've really enjoyed doing some mathematics with you today. Thank you for joining me as you continue your learning from home. I look forward to seeing you again for our next lesson on KSPS.